Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, may AI have your attention, please. Not just me, but may AI have your attention, please. I heard just before on the panel that AI is probably the most spoken about word. It's the keyword that's trending everywhere. But I promise you I'm going to try and make this as exciting as possible. Back in India, I worked for a retail organization whose motto or core value was rewrite rules, retain values. Rewrite rules, retain values. And in the context of AI, there is nothing that showcases how AI is really transforming the world today as this motto. Today we see businesses who are utilizing AI in terms of completely changing the paradigm of their businesses while retaining the core essence and the core soul of the business. Today we are sharing with you an example of how at Find we are doing this for the fashion business. These are principles that you can apply to not just fashion, but to any industry which is in the creative, production, and customer engagement space. Essentially, fashion for the last 100 years, or ever since the Industrial Revolution, has been working on collections. These collections work primarily on seasons, which could be weather conditions, or things like festivities. So everything from the Met Gala to Christmas, Eid, Diwali, you would have your collections coming through. And the typical life cycle of every collection going live until the early 2000s was about 24 months. Given the technological evolution that's happened and how supply chain efficiencies have come through, it has drastically reduced. But even today, for most brands, it is between 10 to 15 months. So imagine, fashion brands today are working on products that are going to hit your stores between June and December next year. This is where AI is now coming up. And we said at Find, which is the company that's been building LLM and AI solutions for the last 12 years, given the deep expertise that we have in AI, how can we help fashion retailers shorten this length of time that it takes for products to reach their stores? So we said, let's segment the business into this life cycle into three parts: a pre-production stage, a production stage, and a post-production stage. And I explain why these three stages. The first stage is where design creation happens. This is where creative and analytics people come together. They use data from various sources, from market research, from their own sales, data from past of their own sales. They add it to their own design theme for the season. They play around with fabrics, with trims, with colors, with prints, and come up with mood boards. These mood boards then create a selection for designers to show to the buyers and start getting orders. Once the mood boards are ready, they go into technical specifications, line sheets are created, and those tech packs are then sent to factories to manufacture the garments. This process takes anywhere between 3 to 4 months. With AI, it can now be shortened to a few weeks. And the post-production stage, which is once the products are ready and they come into your warehouse, there is an entire exercise that needs to go into getting products live. These products need to be photoshopped, they need to be made campaign ready, e-commerce ready, content has to be written. Now, funnily, the part of stage 1 and stage 3 is completely controlled by the brands. However, there is so much inefficiency in the system that it leads to delays and it creates a complete cascading effect on the supply chain. The middle portion, phase 2, is still a very physical activity because there is production of fabric, trims, garments, and they need to get picked, packed, and shipped into various locations. So imagine how AI can solve and bring down a cycle that is a go-to-market cycle that takes 12 to 15 months by about 5 months. So you can trim off 5 months of work, which is saving on resources, on capital, and on efficiencies all put together. Now, this is the traditional process of how the design process works. You're able to see that from the time somebody starts working on a new collection, the trend spotting is what it's normally called, starts on day 0. And by the day you finish the exercise of getting your mood boards ready, your tech specs done, and sharing them with factories, it takes anywhere between 90 to 120 days. And therefore we say, welcome to the past. This is how it was done in the past. This gives designers a lot of nightmares. Designers have to go through inefficient processes, large costs. Sampling is a to and fro process. A lot of manual interactions over email, WhatsApp. It is, ask any designer, what's their biggest nightmare? And they'll say communication with their partners and getting the entire collection ready on time. And now we say, welcome to the present. So today, what Find is doing is we are able to bring this entire 90 to 120 day journey down to 18 days using AI. How does this happen? Trend spotting, which is essentially market research. It is taking information from various sources, such as magazines, platforms, fashion influencers, what your competition is doing, what is your past sales data, what kind of colors sell with you, what kind of silhouettes work for you. Based on those, this entire information is brought into one common space from where mood boards are generated. This is a collaborative approach where designers work directly with prompt engineers at Find, and we create mood boards which are shared with respective brands and their designers. This is what a typical mood board would look like for our friends who are not from the fashion industry. What it means is it gives you parameters within which your collection is going to play. These could be colors, it could be fabric, types, blends, these could be embellishments that go into your products. And silhouette, most interestingly, because some brands could say that, the brand is a modest brand of Arabic clothing based out of Saudi Arabia. You would need certain specific kind of silhouettes only to be created. All this information comes into the mood boards, which go to designers for selection. And the next step, which is a differentiator of Find with most other organizations in the AI space, is print generation. Because of our deep understanding of fabric types, blends, etc., we are able to generate near accurate prints in terms of showcasing to designers. Post the mood boards are approved, selected, we get into a 2D and 3D line sheet space. It's a very technical term I'm using right now, but essentially the technical specifications of garments start getting created. Designers are now able to visualize what those mood boards would look like once the garments are created. I'm showing you examples of women's wear and kids wear, but this could be extrapolated to any other category as well. And then we get into the tech pack creation. Tech pack creation is nothing but technical specifications without which a garment factory cannot stitch garments. This includes every single detail that goes on to making a garment. So this is all about every single stitch, every single button, every single zipper is accounted for, is exactly calculated by the size, dimension, and shared with factories. Based on this, factories are going to be able to create the garments that you've kind of placed orders for. Finally come the patterns. Pattern is nothing but the exact specification in which the factory is going to cut the fabric that you are presenting to them. So fabric gets shipped from a fabric manufacturer to the garment maker. The garment maker uses a CAD machine on which these patterns get rolled out, and automatically it starts cutting based on these. Now, essentially what this means is you've been able to cut down your time to market of designs from 40 days or from up to 90 days to less than 18 days. That is time saved, cost saved. Switching on to the post-production part. So we spoke about the production part, which is still very heavy in terms of multiple, it's still very complex web of own factories, third-party factories, supply chain solutions, etc. Therefore, if we still don't touch that part and we go into the post-production part is when once your garments have arrived into the warehouses, you have a complete need for generation of catalogs, for creation of content, which is used for campaigns as well as for your e-commerce business. Here comes AI PIM from Find, which essentially is a one-click solution to getting catalog created and ready, not only for your own website or mobile app, but also for marketplaces and for your campaigns. Today, if you look at how most e-commerce businesses work, they get samples which go to a photo studio, models wear those, then the shoots are completed, they go for editing, and after that, they go to a team that writes the content, which is then, if it's a multilingual site, then it also needs to get transliterated. After that, it goes into content enhancement, which is things like SEO tagging, metadata creation, etc. All of this today is possible at a single click to create not just images, but also the entire written content catalog. Post this come the images. So there are, today, like I explained, there's a lot of places where human models have to actually go to showrooms, they have to try on products, their short catalogs are created. Imagine if you were to just flat lay products, get images, and then AI transforms those images into models wearing those. This is a great example. There's a flat lay, the first image is a flat lay, a garment which is shot in a studio in minutes, perhaps not the hours it takes to get a model to wear them. The second image is an AI-generated human child showing how it looks like worn in a regular environment or with a plain background. The third image is an image in a lifestyle space showing the model in a place. And the last one is actually a video which can also be created out of that AI model itself. I think coming to the end, I'd like to give you a small glimpse of what the future looks like. We are moving from just design services and cataloging services to an actual design to product hitting shelf in 21 days. So the 3 stages of production that I spoke about now gets compressed from 15 months to 21 days. Over the last 1 year, we've shipped close to 1 million units of these garments manufactured specifically against these services. And we're looking at opening up a pilot very soon with selected retailers in the region. I think with that, we come to the end of our small presentation. I hope you liked it. And we are here at Stall 1. Please do pass by, spend time with us, and understand how you can utilize AI through Find to reach your goals of creating a fast fashion business and reaching the skies together. Thank you for your time and attention, everyone.